When you want your website form submissions to instantly trigger a phone call to the business, this is the widget you'll use. Let me walk you through setting it up. First, give your widget a name. Choose something that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you're creating multiple widgets for the same business. You can also add a description, but that part is optional. Next, select the business that this widget belongs to, then choose the form trigger option. Once you click Next, you'll choose which phone number the widget will use for routing calls. You can pick an existing number from the list or buy a new one if needed. When you're ready, move on to the next step. Here's where you set up how the form will behave. If you want Dialhawk to create a simple built-in form for you, just keep it on Create New Form. Below that, you'll see the call behavior option. Turn on Initiate Phone Call if you want the form submission to immediately trigger a call. If you turn this off, the system will simply record the form lead without starting a call. You can now customize the form, add a title, edit the button text, and add any fields you want. Name, email, phone number, message, anything you need. You can also decide whether each field is required. As you scroll down, you'll find styling options where you can control colors for the background, text, borders, and the Submit button. When everything looks good, click Next for the final step. Here you'll see your widget summary plus the embed code. Just copy that code and paste it into your website's HTML, usually right before the closing body tag. Once the code is installed, the widget will automatically appear on your site based on your configuration. Before you finish, make sure the widget is toggled to active so it shows up on your website. Then click Create Widget and you're done. You now have a fully functioning form trigger that can turn web submissions into instant phone calls.